Hello and welcome to Ask Victoria. I am Victoria Keith, award-winning car sales professional and also ebook author of Car Guide, Steps to Take to Save You Money and Time at the Car Lot. First, I want to thank you for joining me today. I want to talk about a question that I've received repeatedly in my DMs. It is to finance with the dealership or to receive financing with your bank or credit union. Great question. I receive it a lot. And it's a loaded one. It's a loaded one. The problem with that is it's twofold. There's some things that you have to consider. And like I always talk about credit, you have to talk about and know what your credit score is. Good thing I have written about that in my ebook. Shameless plug right there. And you can find the credit information. That will be on. It's really not this long, so I'm flipping pages, but it's really a quick and easy read, so don't get overwhelmed. You can find the credit information on pages 6 and 7 of the ebook, and also pages 6 through 8 in the ebook. You definitely want to grab it because it goes a little more into detail that I can discuss with you today, but it's talking about credit. And the reason credit is important when it comes to financing with an outside bank or with the dealership is because depending on where you are, I would say 660, 680 is about the threshold where you need to consider, or where you could consider talking with the dealership and also talking with your bank or credit union as far as financing. Anything below that, I'm not saying that you can't, but you run the risk of too many inquiries, which can then affect your credit score and, send it down a little bit further. So the benefit to knowing where you are with your credit score and knowing where you fall, like I said in the ebook, where you fall as far as the guidelines are concerned with your credit score is going to be beneficial to you in making that decision on whether or not you want to finance with the dealership or finance with your bank or credit union. Some pros to financing with the dealership: if it's a new vehicle or if it is a certified pre-owned vehicle, you will receive, as far as a new vehicle is concerned, incentivized rates and also rebates. Those are incentivized rates are interest rates that are specific to new vehicles that are typically lower, and they revolve from month to month, and even sometimes within the month they might change. So that's another benefit. Another benefit is the rebates. And again, that changes from month to month. It might be a $500 rebate, $1,500, $3,000 rebate. And that is specific to new vehicles. And it's typically if you finance with a bank through that dealership. Those go out the window if you decide to seek financing through your credit union or your bank. Those rebates are specific to the manufacturer of the dealership. So keep that in mind as well. As far as certified pre-owned vehicles, those vehicles, you can actually get a lease. You can obtain a lease on a certified pre-owned vehicle through the dealership. Now, that's not so much through an outside lender. So again, these are just a couple of things to consider. Like I said, pros and cons. Now, some pros to seeking your financing through your bank or your credit union. I would definitely say that you would get a more, I guess, not necessarily accurate, but some people deem it as a more fair interest rate. It's arguable. You can argue whether or not you receive a fair one or not, but you can shop it around. If your credit score is solid enough, you can take that rate and get it matched at the dealership, possibly, if there's a bank that offers it. And then also, once you match it at the dealership, then take advantage, if it's a new vehicle or certified pre-owned, like I said, it's a new one, take advantage of getting that interest rate matched by your bank or credit union and getting the rebates and the discounts and all of the other perks that come with it. It's a win-win situation. Like I said, I go further into detail about your credit in the ebook, Car Guide, Steps to Take to Save You Money and Time. You want to grab it this week because we are having a friends and family discount. It ends Friday, May 3rd. That's it. The price goes up. You don't want to pay more? I'm still saving you money by selling you this ebook at a discounted price this week until May 3rd. So take advantage of it. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up.